Hello, welcome to the instructional video for the ProHub mains version. To show you how we're fitting it, we're going to use our test wall here. So we've got a fire alarm panel we're going to connect into, and we've got our mains set up here with a couple of the extenders, and we're going to bind in a pre-door pro and a door guard as well. So we'll show you kind of how to fit it, how to power it, how to connect it into the fire alarm system, and then importantly how to actually kind of build and bind the network together. Okay, so we'll start off by having a look at what's in the box. If we open that up, we've got the user guide that this video kind of accompanies and runs along at the same rate as the user guide. And we've got the ProHub unit itself, which is here. Inside here, you've got a few more of the parts that you need to fit it. So if we slide the lid off, and then as you can see in here, you've got another box, and that's got the power lead, and it's got some blind grommets and some compression glands to help you fit it. And it comes with all the screw packs and everything you need, so that's all inside there.